1300-meter race is on the way. Monte Napoleone draws for your lead to a Concert King Isari outside. My wife knows all is by the rule. Vermont Hetty, then followed by Douglas Paramore, and a long way back to swim event, heading towards the half moto. Monte Napoleone by 3/4 of a length leader by My Wife Knows All on the outside, followed by Concert King Vermont as they rounded the 600. Monte Napoleone back to a length and a half leader by My Wife Knows All. Concert King remains in third, followed by Vermont as they race at a 450 with Monte Napoleone by about 2 lengths. Vermont now to take second, Concert King in second, and down the stretch they come with Monte Napoleone. Vermont about to throw the challenge on the outside, and down the stretch they come. Monte Napoleone, Vermont to grab the lead. It's now Vermont winning this race over Monte Napoleone. Douglas Paramore, Concert King, My Wife Knows All, Hetty, and Swim Event.
Okay, we have an upset.